It's not just your hormones. Perimenopause isn't the problem on its own. Disconnection is. You've probably been told it's just your hormones, that perimenopause is to blame for every leak, every ache, every uncomfortable moment in your body. But the truth is that hormonal shifts change your body, and this makes connection more important than ever. I'm talking about the connection between breath and movement, between your core and your pelvic floor, between what you've been told to expect and what your body actually needs. Yes, estrogen levels drop, and that matters. It affects tissue, elasticity, collagen, and the way your pelvic floor behaves. But perimenopause isn't the villain on its own. As Dr. Louise Newson says, declining estrogen is part of the story, but how we support women through it, that's where the real issue lies. Now, for many, hormone replacement therapy can be an essential part of that support, restoring hormonal balance, protecting long-term health, and improving quality of life. And for others, it might not be the full answer or an option at all. But what often gets overlooked, regardless of whether you choose hormone therapy or not, is how your body moves, how your core, breath, and pelvic floor function together. And this piece matters for every woman at every stage. Disconnection might look like leaking when you sneeze, might look like pain in your lower back that creeps in by mid-afternoon, a feeling of heaviness or dragging, sex that feels different, uncomfortable, or even painful. It feels like your body isn't on your side anymore, but it's not broken. It's just trying to function with different pieces. And often these pieces were never given to you postnatally, however long ago that might have been. You were handed a 6-week check, maybe told to do some kegels and sent on your way. And now, years later, those gaps are louder because perimenopause is revealing them. This isn't about going harder. It's about going deeper. It starts with how you breathe, how you sit, stand, and move, and how your ribs, spine, core, and pelvic floor all coordinate. As Dr. Jen Gunter puts it, women are too often dismissed, especially when symptoms are common. But common doesn't mean normal, and it certainly doesn't mean untreatable. At MUTU, we don't treat your body like it's a problem to fix, and we're not here to suggest that one size fits all. Some women need hormone therapy, some want surgery or need surgery, many need functional rehab, most need better information and choice. We teach you how to listen to your body, to understand it and support it, starting with the fundamentals that no one gave you before. When you understand how your hormonal shifts affect your biomechanics, that's your alignment, and your strength and your bladder control, then you stop seeing yourself as broken and you start to see a system that's adaptable, that just needs reconnection. Because the real story here isn't that perimenopause is stealing your strength, it's that disconnection is stealing your confidence. If you're ready to stop being told that it's just your hormones and you want more than guesswork and clenching, if you're done settling for discomfort, then this is your place. MUTU isn't quick fixes or aesthetics. It's medically grounded, clinically proven guidance to rebuild strength from the inside out. Whatever support your perimenopause path includes, MUTU is here to make sure that your body moves with it and not against it. Keep watching for the next video if this resonates, and if your core or pelvic floor just doesn't feel like it's doing all it should right now, and you've been feeling it in your lower back, then watch the next video. And that explains exactly why your core might not be quite doing its job at the moment.